gotta say it. You can get a taste.
Okay, you guys, so I'm in the beauty supply and they have different nail polishes, different brands. There's one for Kiss Gel. Oh, New York. Kiss New York Gel. This is really nice. It's $3.79, and here they have Kiss Professional New York Gel Strong nail polish, 1 step. This one says HD dose, HD. So I don't know if it's like stronger than this one, I'm not sure, but yeah, they have tons of different colors. All of the liquid and liquid lipsticks all over here. They got some eyeshadows over here. What is this? Eyeliners. Just a whole bunch of different stuff. Setting sprays. New York Professional Setting Spray. Wow, I never used it before, but it looks pretty good. It's $10.99 though. Wow. And yeah, guys, they got the foundation over here, NYC foundation and concealer, and also they have powders. I'm gonna go on the other side and show you the other foundations later, but yeah, this is all what they have. They have liquids and liquids and powders on this side. This says color correct. Oh, this is for contour, to contour your face, you know, like the sides of your face. Yeah, and just a whole bunch of different nail polishes down at the bottom. Let's check it out. Okay, so I guess they all carry Kiss products in different colors. And yeah. These are a whole bunch of lipsticks. I've never tried them, but they look pretty good. I don't know how much they are, but they look pretty nice. Yeah, it's just a whole bunch of liquid lipsticks, and eyeliners, and different powders down at the bottom. Oh my goodness. And yeah, and creams for your face. What is this? Yeah, face primers. They have like mascaras, makeup wipes right here, which is, I never tried this brand. And they have nail polish. What is this? Ultra strong nail harder base coat. Oh, this is for a base coat. Oh, okay. They have clear nails. Yeah, perfect manicure. But I never honestly tried this. I don't know if that's like legit. It's $9.99 though. That's kind of like expensive. So I have this brand called Palladio. And they have different types of lipsticks over here. And eyeliners and powders. So yeah. And then over here, when I walked in, they have different foundations over here and concealers. This is by Kiss Natural Finish. So it looks like they carry like Kiss products for professional. So yeah, professional use. Guys, they have more makeup setting sprays over here. What is this one? J-Cat brand. Wow, I've never heard of this, but yeah, they have different makeup products. Some of them are over $4 or more, so I'm not sure if here is cheaper to buy versus like CVS or Walgreens. I'm not sure, but yeah. They have lip glosses over here, which is I never tried. Also some more mascaras, and what are these? Eyeliners. Yeah, eyeliners, which is pretty nice. What is this? No More Blemish Liquid Foundation. Oh, this is a small bottle. Wow, that's $6.99. Expensive, but yeah. And this brand is by Ruby Kisses. Have some eyelashes over here in the beauty aisle. Some headbands, which is kind of cute actually. I don't know if I should get any, but yeah. Here's for nail brush art. And honestly, before I moved, I actually threw away or gave away all of my nail tips, so therefore my nail collection is gone. But not my nail collection, but some of them. And so I need to buy like new brushes and everything, so I can like start practicing again. And yeah, here they have some makeup brushes for $2.49, $1.69 for something. It just depends on the different size you want. Well, this actually comes in a package, but it's not a lot though. But wow, guys, look at this. This is high quality makeup brush. I want to know if these are good. How much are these? There's no way for me to know, but I would have to look at the register. So we have nail polishes over here. Let's see. Yeah, they're all by Kiss. They're just different brands. And then we got some more straight down the middle right here. There's so many options, and then some more concealers. Some people have used the LA Pro, so I don't know, I might test that out. Yeah. And then some more down in the bottom. I didn't show this I was gonna say mascara. No, I didn't show the eyelashes over here. They're called Velux, and they're really nice. And yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm in the hair accessory aisle, and I have hair extensions at the house, so I'm gonna try to experiment, and I'm gonna try to really do my hair. I watched tutorials, so I'm more likely gonna try to do it myself. Like, I'm trying to step out of the box and actually try to do my hair for the first time. It's gonna probably be a challenge, but yeah, we're gonna just try and wing it. Hey guys, so I'm on the other side of the hair accessory aisle, and they have hair beads, and I kind of want to test it out. I don't know if I should get a multi-way where they have different colors, or stick to one solid color. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to step outside of the box and just try it. So yeah, so I'm in the beauty supply store, and it took me over like what, 2 hours now trying to figure out what I want to get. But I'm thinking about buying a hairpiece. And then I had to upgrade on hair products, so I got hair grease for my natural hair, and then I got styling gel, which is something I needed as well. And then I got detangling hairspray, which is definitely what I needed. And this for like, how do I say, part your hair for the braids. And I'm also buying these for the braids. So yeah.
You can get a taste.